Well, hello everyone. I've been getting a number of questions about how do I know if the file I'm working on is set up to work with the current workspace. I can tell you a few things about this workspace, and if you're bringing stuff in from previous projects, old stuff, done early days of the V8i, things like that, you may need to do some things to update the software or update the files because this workspace is really designed around working off of a specific set of units. So if you open up any file and you go into the file area over here and you go to the settings and you look at the file area here too, and you look at the design file settings and the working units. This will tell you a lot about what you're working with. If you don't see 304,800 per foot or 304,800 per survey foot or 1 million per meter, the file you're working with isn't going to work well with the line styles that are in the workspace because the line styles are designed to work with annotation scale and with a unit setting of a million per meter. And so the equivalent is 304,800 per foot. So if you're not working with that set of units, the line styles typically are not going to work well for you. So if you were going to do that, what I would do is start a brand new file with the seeds that are in the workspace and then import the file directly into the file or import, merge into master, reference it in, make sure it's in the right location, that type of thing. And then make sure that you're starting out with a file that has the unit set to 304,800 or a million per meter. If you're sitting at 10,000 per foot or something like that, then it's probably coming from AutoCAD, or if you're looking, or maybe working right off the seed files directly from Bentley. But the reason why we went with a million per meter was years ago, the software, when you started working with dynamic views, the if you didn't have it set at a tight enough resolution, what would happen is the patternings that would happen in a dynamic view would send zingers or lines shooting out from the corners of the model. And so just to avoid having that problem, set it to a million per meter for all of the units for what we baseline all of our files from. And if you're looking at that, that's kind of how you'd want to make sure that your units are set properly. So go over here to File, go into Settings, that's here, go into File, and then go to Design File Settings. And just verify this before you start.